In this lecture, we are going to learn about circle and arc command. Here you can see different types of circle and arc. First, select circle, select center point of the circle. Now drag the mouse to give diameter, left click to end. Again select circle, center point, left click to end. The next option is 3-point circle. Select first point, second point. Now drag the mouse and select third point. Again select 3-point circle. First point, second point. Now select the third point. The next option is circle using coordinates. We want to draw a circle at some coordinate from this center. This center is selected. Now give some coordinates here. Give 10 mm in horizontal direction, 20 mm in vertical direction. Give a 10 mm radius and OK. So here is our circle at 20 mm in vertical direction and 10 mm in horizontal direction of radius 10 mm. Now select this point, give some coordinate and OK. So this is our coordinate circle. Delete this sketch. The next option is try tangent circle. For that, make some rough sketch. Now select try tangent circle. Select this line as your first tangent, second tangent, third tangent. Now you can see that this creates a circle taking all the three profile of tangent to the circle. Again select try tangent circle, first tangent, second tangent, third tangent. So this is a try tangent circle. Delete this sketch. The next option is 3-point arc. Select first point, second point. Now drag the mouse and select your third point. Once again select 3-point arc, first point, second point and third point. The next option is 3-point arc starting with limits. That is an advanced tool. We will learn this tool in our upcoming lecture. The next tool is arc. Select center point, drag the mouse and select first point. Now again drag a mouse to form an arc and left click to end the arc. This is the center point of this arc. Select one more time, center point, first point and second point. So this was a basic intro of circle and arc command in Catia.